So, today's word is because. Because can be used as a conjunction or sometimes it is used as a preposition. So, let us see how we can use because as conjunction. But before going directly to how we can use because as conjunction, we first have to know what a conjunction is. Conjunction are those words that connect two clauses or two sentences. Okay, now let us see the meaning of because. For the reason that, due to the fact that. If we are referring to a reason or if we are referring to a fact because of which something had happened, we can use because in place of that reason or in place of that fact. Okay, let us understand with this example. The boy was absent because he was ill. So because is the reason of his absence, because he was ill and that's why he is not present in the class. So because is serving as the reason. Okay, now let us move forward. So prepositions are the words that describes a relationship between a noun and a pronoun. Okay, so let us see what is the meaning of because in case if we are using it as a preposition. Okay, so this is informal, so that means that I have already told you that we are normally we are not using because as preposition. Okay, we sometimes and very rarely use it as a preposition in certain cases only. Okay, uses directly before a noun. Okay, we are using because in an informal way and we are using it directly before a noun, adjective, verb, interjection, etc. to convey a very concise rationale, excuse or explanation. Okay, so here in case of preposition, when we are using because as preposition, we are using this word in front of or just before the noun, adjective, verb, etc. to convey a special meaning or special excuse. Okay, let us understand this with this example. He does not practice enough because lazy. We can also write this example just like that. He does not practice enough because he was lazy, or he is a habit of being lazy, that's why he does not practice well. But to convey a very precise excuse, we say that he does not practice enough because lazy. Okay, or I love donuts because yum. We can also write this sentence as I love donuts because they are very tasty, or because they have a very good taste. But we just said I love donut because yum. So this is how we can use because as a preposition. Now let us move forward. So these are some of the synonyms or some of the words that are very similar as because. They are as a result of, as long as, being, by cause of, by reason of, considering, due to, and for. So that's it for today, and I would like you to write a sentence using this word because and post it in the comments below. Thank you.